Yes.
Hi, Seema.
Hello, Sudeep. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Seema. How are you? Great to see you.
I'm good. Thank you.
So
Same
it's
here.
really nice to have a cup of coffee with you, uh, even if it's not face to face, but actually it feels like you are almost seated in front of me in a restaurant and we are having a cup of coffee.
Yes, same here.
So for the viewers, we have Seema Lahiri with us. She is an expert image consultant and expert in emotional intelligence and communication coach. Just let me show all of you her profile and the reason we are here. So if all of you can see the screen, we are here. We are very lucky that we have Seema Lahiri with us to talk on virtual team building. So welcome, Seema. Welcome to the Pep Talk.
Thank you, Sudeep. Thank you.
So Seema, I have you on the show, so I will quickly ask you some questions so that the leaders who are watching, the employees who are watching, the team members can learn and understand a few important points on virtual team building.
Sure.
The first question, viewers, the first question for our expert today is it possible to actually have a virtual team or is it just a gimmick?
Uh, well, let's think in this way that whenever people have come together for a common purpose and have been situated in various geographical locations, so virtual team has happened, and this is something not new. It has been there since centuries. And today, with the current scenario that we are going through, it has become all the more so important for people to connect together from different geographical locations or from the same geographical location due to lockdown, and come on a virtual platform to connect and work towards a common goal. So three important things that we have here is the purpose, the people, and the link.
Wonderful. Thank you, Seema. I hope our audience have got that answer. Next question, viewers, to the expert right here. What are the difficulties a leader can face while he's trying to work with a virtual team? What are the difficulties?
Uh,
Yes.
Now, today we work has really changed due to the pandemic that we are going through. So there are challenges. The first and the most important challenge that we have is the face-to-face communication, which is not happening. So in a face-to-face communication, what happens is people are able to communicate in a much more better way because all the three B's of communication are visible. The words that you are speaking, your vocal and your body language. So on a virtual platform, many a times people, they want to keep their videos off. So that is one problem that happens. And at times when people are new to it, or they don't know each other, the interaction is poor. So one is communication. The next problem that they face is coming from different time zones. So it is difficult for people to actually connect and coordinate to work together on a comfortable time zone. And the third is the cultural background and at the same time language at times. Apart from it, keeping the teams engaged, that is very important in a meeting. And I've conducted a workshop also on how to make your team and teamwork and your meetings more engaging. So I feel this is one of the most crucial challenges that our leaders are facing, is to how to make their meetings more active and to keep it more engaging.
Wonderful, wonderful. So viewers, here we have the last question on this show for the expert. I hope all of you are listening. So Seema, tell me that what are the key skills a leader needs to develop? Because after all, he's moving into a new space, although it's there for years, but what are the key skills, three most important skills he needs to develop to be successful in managing a virtual team?
Okay, so when we are talking of teamwork, I have come up with an acronym that is the first and the foremost thing is to have trust. because as a leader, you need to communicate with your team. And the bottom line for any communication is trust, which is very important. So a leader needs to have trust. The next is to have empathy. Leader needs to understand that in today's scenario where people are trying to juggle between their office and their home and trying to strike a harmony. So you need to empathize with your team. Third is be authentic in whatever you're communicating. Let your plans, let your vision be more transparent. So be authentic. And last but not the least is that you need to motivate your team. So 3 important skills, if I have to put it down, I think the first one would be communicate to connect, coordinate to collaborate, and the third is like customize to the culture. So these are the 3 things.
There you go, viewers. Thank you so much, Seema. There you go, viewers. So here we have from the horse's mouth the 3 important skills. 1 is communicate, 2 is trust, and 3 is build a team. So thank you so much to the expert on our show today. It's such a great pleasure to have Seema Lahiri on the first episode with Coffee with the Expert on your favorite show, The Pep Talk. Thank you, Seema, once again from me and our viewers who are watching across the globe. And hope you have a good day and hope to see you back again on this show.
Thank you, Sudeep, and wishing you all the best also.
Thank you so much. Everyone there watching today, have a great day and be well, be safe, and keep smiling.